Well, I tell you what. Let me take a look. See what's happening. So, did you feel like some immediate pain in there?
Especially when I kind of slam my leg down. It goes to my knee, then immediately to my hip.
Did you fall actually to the ground?
I didn't actually fall over. I caught myself, fortunately, but it was like one of those things where I didn't fall. I tripped. I sort of tripped over it, then my body got jarred, sort of regaining my footing.
I don't feel too much difference than before, so hopefully it's not anything major.
Okay.
You needed this today, my dear. Alright, time to take a deep breath. Pull it down. Good job. Let's do it again. Breath. Good. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to have you lay on your left side again.
Okay.
Definitely some ice tonight, okay?
Yeah.
So let's break that one there. Didn't realize that the wind and the kids, huh?
Oh.
When you said the electrical.
Yeah, it's something that stimulates them. I've never really looked up the research, even though I say that
There's got to be something there. Take a deep breath, all right? That's it. Okay. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. On your back. That's it. Nice. Woo. Good. 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 All right. Yeah, you're right. We don't need any lace. We don't need any props with you.
No.
So ice it up.
Okay.
Take some time to relax, and I'll see you next week.
Definitely.